Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal balance without a card. You can directly send money to friends and family, making personal transfers simple and immediate. For online shopping, your balance can be used to pay for goods and services at millions of retailers. Additionally, PayPal allows you to generate a one-time virtual card number for secure online purchases, providing an extra layer of privacy and convenience without needing a physical card. To access your funds in cash, link your bank account to PayPal. You can then initiate a standard transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your bank. For quicker access, consider an instant transfer, though this usually incurs a small fee, often around 1.75% of the amount transferred. This method provides a reliable way to move your balance off the platform. Using your PayPal balance for in-store purchases is also straightforward. Simply open the PayPal app on your smartphone when you're at a participating merchant. You can often pay by scanning a QR code displayed at the checkout or by showing a unique barcode to the cashier. Always ensure your PayPal balance is sufficient before attempting a transaction to avoid any payment issues. It's a convenient way to spend your funds directly. Beyond spending, your PayPal balance offers other useful options. You can easily donate to various charities directly from your funds, supporting causes you care about. Another great use is purchasing gift cards from a wide range of retailers, allowing you to spend your balance at stores that might not directly accept PayPal. Always verify that a merchant accepts PayPal before making a purchase attempt to ensure a smooth transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.